What's going on YouTube? It's been a while. HillTribe Loft here. Well, these two are breeding in my kit. I decided to give them a nest, and this is what I got out of them. Once those two babies are weaned, I will be moving them over. I took all my birds out. Whatever I had in this kit, I already moved it over here. They're not flying no more. I already stored them away for the winter next season. I gave all my breeders back to my guys since I went through some family problems, and I'll be starting all over with everything I produce here. This is all this year's birds that I produce here that I have left that I decided to keep. These will be breeding for me next season, so they did really good for me this year. These are my SA Masons. Just got that one back from my buddy. I gave it to him when it was a squeaker a few weeks ago. It was quite pretty good for him. This will be what I'll be working with for next season. These guys here will be the one producing everything for me next season. No rush. Quality birds here, so I already know what I'm working with. We'll go from there. These are the guys that you guys seen in the sky here in my channel. I want to say these guys are probably 8 months, 9 months old, about young birds. But like I said, I went into some problems, and all my breeders I gave back to my buddy. Everything here I produced from this year. I already got all this wrapped up, ready for the fucking cold. I hate Minnesota, man. It's one thing about Minnesota I do not like. Starting all over, got my crates all cut up, ready for nest bows. Flag still up. This is where my breeders used to be. I tore it all down. I tore everything down. I still got this side though. I saved this. Save this. Will be adding more birds in here when I have time. I'll be going back to school, so I kept a lot of stuff, and I sold a lot of this breeding stuff, and I still got my bands and all, and I'm still doing this, but just one day at a time, and not rushing into things, and slowly take my time, just let my birds breed out for me. So thanks for watching, and I will update again soon. HillTribe Loft signing out.